Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something exciting in the world of decentralized finance: how to claim the Uniswap Airdrop. If you're into crypto, you know airdrops are like free gifts from projects to reward early users or build community. Uniswap, one of the biggest decentralized exchanges, has dropped tokens before, and knowing how to claim them can boost your portfolio without spending a dime. But remember, always stay safe in the crypto space. We'll cover that too. First things first, make sure you're eligible. Uniswap airdrops typically reward users who have interacted with their platform, like trading or providing liquidity. Check the official Uniswap announcement on their website or Twitter to confirm if you qualify. If you do, great. Let's move on to the steps. Step 1. Set up a compatible wallet. You'll need something like MetaMask or Wallet Connect that's connected to the Ethereum network, since Uniswap runs on it. Download and set it up if you haven't already, and make sure it's funded with a little ETH for gas fees. Claiming isn't free. Step 2. Head to the official Uniswap airdrop page. Never use random links from social media. Stick to uniswap.org or their verified sources to avoid scams. Once there, look for the airdrop section. Step 3. Connect your wallet. This is straightforward. Click the Connect button, select your wallet, and authorize it. You'll see your eligible airdrop amount displayed. Step 4. Claim your tokens. Hit the Claim button, confirm the transaction in your wallet, and wait for it to process on the blockchain. It might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee while you wait. Finally, after claiming, double-check your wallet to ensure the tokens are there. And here's a crucial tip. Transfer them to a secure storage if you're not using them right away, and always verify transactions to protect against hacks. There you have it. That's how you claim the Uniswap airdrop. It's a simple process, but it can be rewarding if you're eligible. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.